Right. So I'm going to ask you, hi Kong, where you can you buy all right. But before that, what are the things you want? Give me two things you want.
Mm, I want mm,
What are the two things you want?
mm, I
Things.
I want um
Want
I
the car?
want mm,
All right. So imagine that this is or today is your birthday or tomorrow. So what will be the things you want to have?
mm, I want to have mm, I
iPad?
no um an
Do you want to have a bike?
iPhone
Oh,
iPhone
iPhone. Okay, first is iPhone. Okay, give me another one. One thing that you want.
and I want the toys.
Toys, any toys.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so Kong, the two things that you want, you can buy that in
In
uh
the
what?
supermarket.
Oh yes, in the supermarket, in the SM malls, okay? All right, very good. So in letter B, now change roles. Okay. So never mind that. So how will you rate or how would you rate yourself? Can you please read? I can.
I can ask for suggestions very well.
Okay. Number two, I can give suggestions.
Very well.
Okay, that's nice. All right, 19. What is the question?
Mm, where's the mall?
Okay, where's the mall? Okay, student A, think of two places near your school. Ask student B where they are located. And in student B, describe the two locations. Give additional information about the location of each place. Okay, again, can you please read the student A?
Um, um, uh,
Okay, can you think? Oh, are you
mm,
okay, Kong?
yes.
Okay, think of two places near your school.
Mm,
What are the two places
uh,
that are near school?
I don't know.
Um, is there a mall? Is there a coffee shop?
Mm, it's near. Uh,
Okay,
um,
just imagine where is your school located, and then you will think what is or what are the places near to it.
uh, near a coffee shop and
And
and um, Apple iPhone store.
oh, iPhone store. Okay, so you can.
Mm,
Okay, again. Letter B. Describe the two locations. Give additional information about the location of each place. Okay, so you've said that there are two places near your school. First is the coffee shop and then the iPhone store. Okay, how would you describe the coffee shop? Is it big or small?
it is small. It's small.
Okay, small. How about the iPhone store?
It's um it's big.
Okay, big. Okay, now, how would you rate yourself? I can ask about locations.
Mm, very well.
Then I can describe locations.
I need more practice.
Okay, you need more practice. Okay, very good. So you are so honest, okay? Okay, next is take a left. Student A. Think of two places you want to go in your town or city. Ask student B how to get there. Ask for clarification as needed. And letter B, give student A directions to the locations. Okay, Kong. May I know where is your city located or what is the name of your city?
It's Carbon City.
What?
Carbon City.
Global?
Mm,
Is it far from Hanoi?
it's near Hanoi.
Near at Hanoi. Okay. All right, so I will be the student A, okay? And you will answer me, okay?
Okay.
All right, Kong, can you help me how to get there? Um, I want to go to the market in your place. How to get there?
Um,
I want
mm,
to buy rice and fruits in the market.
um,
To get there.
um,
Okay, do you know your market in your town?
um, yes.
Okay, so imagine that I am here in your house. I am visiting you. So how can I go to market?
Mm, um, first you will um turn right.
Right? And then
Um, um, go past the park and turn left. And um, mm,
okay, that's it. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay. All right, so how would you rate yourself? I can give directions very well, or I need more practice.
I need more practice.
Good. Okay. Next is I can ask for clarification.
Very well.
Okay. All right. Next is 21. How much is coffee? All right. So in this word, we are going to use how much. So this is asking about prices and giving prices. All right. Let's go to Voca. Again, read Voca.
Vocabulary.
Yes, vocabulary. All right. So there are some words there below, and then you are going to answer that, okay? Or read first. Now, letter A. Is your hometown expensive? Right? The prices for these things in your hometown. Okay?
Yes.
All right, Kong. So you are going to say the price. Let's say, for example, a haircut. How much do you need to pay to have a haircut?
I will pay $50,000.
Okay, so how much that in um dollars?
Is cost um 50,000.
Okay, we will translate that, okay? I'll convert that. Convert Vietnam dong to Philippine peso. Oh no. To dollar. Vietnam dong. Okay, how much is that?
Is
15,000. 50?
$50,000.
Okay, so that is 1.97. 1.97 dollars. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next. A taxi ride across town.
It costs uh um 100,000.
Right across town.
100,000.
Okay, so that is 3.95. 3.95 dollars. Okay. All right, next.
Museum admissions fee is, I don't know, because my profile doesn't have a museum.
Just imagine that you go to museum admission fee. How will you give the payment for that?
I think it's free.
Three?
Free.
Three?
No, free.
Oh, free. Okay. So this is free or zero, okay?
Yes.
Okay, next. Okay, next. A movie. Okay, what word is next?
A movie ticket.
All right. So in a movie ticket, will you spend?
I
How
think
much
it,
will you? How much spend?
I think it's cost 90,000.
$40,000
No, it's 90.
or 90, like that.
Yes.
Okay, so it's 3.55. All right. Next is
A cup of
what is that?
coffee.
Okay, a cup of coffee. So how much is coffee in your place?
It costs $40,000.
The same with taxi ride? Oh no, movie ticket.
And it's a cup of coffee.
Oh, this is 40,000. Oh, 1.58. Okay, next. Uh, okay, what's the next
Um,
or last word?
it
Co-
as a cup of coffee.
uh,
It costs
no, bus fare. Bus fare.
is um is one that is $40,000.
This is the same with cup of coffee.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this time you are going to read again and with their prices. Okay.
Okay.
Example number one. Example number one. The haircut
Mm,
in my hometown cost $1.97. Okay, I will repeat the haircut in my 1.97. Okay. All right. Are you ready?
yes.
Right. Again, number one. The
The haircut in my hometown range to one that $97.
A9. This is correct. Okay, two.
A taxi ride across town in my hometown range to three that
3
um,
point.
3 point $95.
Okay, good. Number three.
Um, the museum admission fee in my hometown range free.
Yeah. Number four.
Um, The movie ticket in my hometown range to 3.55 dollars.
$3.55. Okay, next.
A cup of coffee in my hometown range to $1.58.
Very good. Next, last number.
The bus fare in my hometown range to $1.58.
Okay, you've got a perfect score. So you've got 6.6. Very good. Yes, good job. Okay, next is we are going to listen to the conversation, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so this is city 12. Okay, so please read, listen.
Listen, how much is coffee in a convenience store? Is coffee in a coffee shop cheap?
Okay, all right, so before we read that, we listen to the conversation, so we will first read, okay? So I will be Eduardo and you will be Greg, okay?
Okay.
Excuse me, how much does bus fare cost in this town?
It costs $1.50.
That's reasonable. How much does a cup of coffee cost?
It depends. It's $1 in my convenience store, but it can be $6 in a nice coffee shop.
$6 for coffee? That's expensive. And how much are movie tickets?
They cost about $13.
Things are expensive in your town. All right, so what do you understand to the conversation?
Um,
Huh.
I I know it. Um, Greg and Ed Eduardo um talk about the price in Greg's hometown.
Uh, it's
Yes.
so this will be the end of our lesson for today, all. We'll see you again next time. Good night.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.